Well, for Palm Beach 2024, we have Mr. Palm Beach himself. We are here with John Staluppi at Cars of Dreams. We have an exciting announcement. John will be selling 10 cars from Cars of Dreams at the 2024 Palm Beach auction at no reserve. John is very well known at Barrett-Jackson. We have sold his cars in the past. We're in his new building here, and it's a spectacular place, John. Thank you for inviting us, and tell us a little bit about the cars we're going to see.
It's a 1937 Cord. It's got even hidden headlights. I couldn't believe it when I seen the car. But if you look around this car and the quality of this car and the fit and finish of this car's incredible. This car is nicer than when it was built right now.
And it's front-wheel drive. Cord was an innovator of that. John alluded to it. He had a L29 that he's resto-modded with an all-Corvette chassis, but it looks bone stock. It is a matching numbers car, matching body car. John has great taste. We're selling 10 cars. You've got the Cord and the Skylark and good assortment of cars, all coming at no reserve to the Palm Beach auction.
And if you look at this paint, it's incredible.
It is.
So this is a bad boy. If you like this look at this kind of a car, this is the car.
Very easy to drive. Just click it, tap the clutch, vacuum shifts the car. They really were way ahead of their time. These windshields pop out, the vents. They have great ventilation through them. They're nice to drive. Selling at no reserve at our Palm Beach auction the 18th through the 20th.